Thank you, everybody. Let's go ahead and finish off from last video. Last video, we pretty much only added things to the database. This time, let's start and see how we can destroy things or delete things and find things in the database. So once again, our ant, let's do ant destroy is how we would delete the ant from the database. Okay? So you just type in ant.destroy. Or if you had another, obviously, if you named your variable something else, it would be bug.destroy, since I named one of my variables bug and another one I named ant. Okay? Now another way, a way you can find your things, your information in your database, if you just type in capital user.find, and the one denotes the first field in the database. Okay, so the first field in the database was, I believe it was called bug. So it should bring out to me a bug. So find and one. Okay, so see, yep, first one was bug. So go bug, and there it is, Granville. I went user.find, which is user is one user, and it went and found the ID of one, and that happened to be Granville in there, and that happened to correspond to the bug. Okay, so I bet you if I go user.find 2, what would you think would show up? Stuart, exactly, which was ant. So there you go. All right. So, and that was number 2. Now, what we did here, remember when we typed in Rails generate model and we specified a user and we specified the name and we specified the email string? Because we specified the name and the email, we can find by, instead of just find by 1 or by 2, we could actually go user, once again, see this pattern, find by email, and user find by name. So let me do that for you. Find by email and find by name. So I know that one of my, let's find by name first. So capital user, find by name, right? So Granville. Oops. All right. It didn't find anything by Granville. So let's say user find by name. See, find my name wrong, number of arguments 0, 1. What am I doing wrong here? Find by email, find my name. Maybe I needed to type in actually Granville when I go find by name. Copy that one. Try this again. User. Find by name. My name. Go Control V. There we go. And there you go. User, find by name. I put Granville in there. and select it from the tables where user equals name equals Granville, and then it spit out everything that is associated with that field. Granville was number 1, email was 12345.com. So that's pretty much how you do that part. User.first, pretty much if you specify what you up here, generate a model, because I could put user name, then email string. I could put another thing like dinosaur. Then I can go find by dinosaur, for example. User.first and user.all. User.first. Oops. It's the first one in there. And of course, user.all brings back all of the fields. There's 1, ID 1, ID 2, name, Granville, email, name, ID 2, Stuart, email, name. So do you remember how to destroy? You go, let's look back up here. You take the variable and you go destroy it, because you have to know which one it is. I remember this one was ant and one was bug. So let's say bug.destroy. Okay. Delete from. That's the SQL that was generated. And now let's go user.all. And yep, see, 1 has been deleted. So only 2 was shown up. And that's pretty much all of the useful and quick and easy way that Rails accesses the database by making the SQL for you. If you notice that every time we did a Rails command, it did the SQL for us. See how we did the Rails command and it did SQL for us. This one we did, we just specified that, the name of the variable, and then it did the SQL for us where ID equals 1, because bug was ID 1 up here. All right, we'll go on to the next video, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye-bye.